In this video, I will show you how you can adjust the lock screen clock on any iPad. But before we start, just make sure that your iPad is on iPadOS 26 or later, because this feature is available on iPadOS 26. Now on the home screen of your iPad, just swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now in the notifications panel, just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen and open the edit section. From here, just select customize. Now to adjust the lock screen clock size, just drag the clock down from the bottom right corner on the clock. As you can see, if you drag the clock down from the bottom right corner, you will be able to increase the size of the lock screen clock, just like that. Now sometimes you might be trying to increase the lock screen clock size, but simply the handle to increase the lock screen clock size is not appearing. Now this is happening because you have changed the font of the lock screen clock. As you can see, if you select any other font, for example, I have selected this one, the handle to increase the lock screen clock size has disappeared. So make sure you select the default lock screen clock font, which is the first one over here. And after you do that, the handle will appear again, just like that. Now if you want to change the color of the lock screen clock, just tap on the clock and select any color from here. For example, I will select this color. Then you can increase or decrease the transparency of the color. And also you can increase or decrease the transparency of the lock screen clock, just like that. And finally, you have the option to disable liquid gloss from the lock screen clock. As you can see, it is currently on gloss, but you can select solid and you can set it on solid. I will set it on gloss. Now once you're done customizing the lock screen clock, then just tap on done and select your lock screen wallpaper, just like that. And this is how you can adjust the lock screen clock on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.